Meaning of indentation.
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 Indentation. Indentation refers to the practice of adding whitespace, tabs or spaces, at the beginning of a line to visually separate and organize code blocks within a document. By using indentation, programmers can more easily understand the structure of their code and quickly identify which lines belong to which block. Incorrect indentation can cause errors in code execution, which makes it an important feature of programming languages. Overall, indentation is a simple but powerful technique that helps programmers write better organized, more readable code.